His rock necklaces. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. You mix that Negro with that Creole, make a Texas Bama.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. No, I did not cut my hair, and yes, this is a wig. This is actually the first time I'm putting on a wig. I'm putting on this wig, actually. This is the first time I'm putting on this wig. So don't kill me and don't clock me, okay? I exposed myself. I'm wearing a wig. But I have been dying to cut my hair short for so long, and let me tell you that putting on this wig, I'm like, okay, maybe not. I actually won this wig from Bellamy. It was with their collab, Makeup by Alina. It was with that collab. I actually won this wig, and it's actually wavy the way they gave it to me. But today I waved one of the sides, but it just kept getting straighter the more that I kept waving it. So I was like, you know what? Let me just straighten the whole wig and see how it looks. So here it is right here. Yeah, if you want to leave like in the comment section how I could like, you know, fix the situation, please let me know if you have any recommendations. It's pretty badly put on in the back. I think in the back you could totally clock me that it's totally a wig, but from the front it looks pretty good. So yeah, if you guys want to watch how I got this really dramatic and fall look, then just keep watching the video.
I'm going to start by priming my eyes with Tarte Shape Tape. I use the shade Tan Sand. I go ahead and place this all over my eyes and blend it with a flat brush, but I don't set it with powder because I find that the shadows are a little bit more vibrant without it. Start off the look, I'm going to go ahead and use the shade Necessary. This shade is honestly so beautiful. It's like the perfect shade to put down in your crease, especially if you want something quick and easy. Next, I'm going to take my favorite shade in the palette, Quiero, and I'm going to go ahead and place that right underneath Necessary, and I'm going to extend that past my actual eye so that I get a more cat eye effect. Once I'm done blending that out on top, I go ahead and connect that cat eye to my lash line. So that's when we're going to get that really nice, like, defined cat eye. At this point, we're going to take a clean brush and we're going to make sure to blend those edges. Make sure we have no harsh lines, so just blend, blend, blend. I'm going to spray my finger for more wet effect, and I'm going into the shade Game Over. I've been dying to use this shade, and this was just the perfect excuse. This shade applies so well, and it really does give the most beautiful iridescence, and also, honestly, for being a pressed glitter, not a lot of fallout. I took my MAC 242 to start packing it on once I had it in place where I wanted it. I went ahead and did my brows off camera, but I'll be bringing a brow tutorial to you guys real soon. I did a little bit more exaggerated brow because this look was going somewhere else. Towards the end, you'll see. And then I'm taking the Hoola bronzer from this Benefit Cosmetics palette that I have, and I'm using that to really carve out my cheekbones. It's a little bit more of a dramatic look, but like I said, I was planning to do something real special with this look towards the end. So I'm using the Juvia's Place blush palette, and ignore where I'm pointing. I actually ended up using the shade all the way at the right bottom. It's called Abby. So that's actually the shade I ended up going in with. Next from the collection, I'm taking the highlighter Chasing the Sun. This highlighter is honestly growing on me. I'm starting to reach for it a little bit more and more. I do like the tone that it has quite a bit against my skin. Like I said, it does look a little bit more natural. Now to finish up the eye, I'm going to go into the shade Cheens, and I'm going to place that all along my bottom lash line and blend that out. Using the shade Sauvage from the first round of the Dose of Colors Desi x Katy collab. I love this shade. It's super vampy and it stays nice and dark, and it doesn't give you that weird butthole line either. after applying mascara, I went in with these really dramatic lashes. These are from the Makeup Shack. They're called Destiny lashes. They're really, really dramatic and full, so perfect for the look that I was trying to do, which was a very fall, very glam inspired tutorial. Also, you can use my code MAKEUPTALK to save 20% off. Also, I'm going to link this lash tool down below in the description box. Please don't use tweezers to put on your lashes. It scares me.